everyone, and welcome to xxMelle Potato Kitchen! Today we're making a recipe that isn't mine, but I'm gonna share with you guys because I really like this recipe a lot. It is banana muffin, but made from a banana bread recipe. So they're really moist, they're really tasty, they're packed with flavor, and they're easy to make because I make them. So let's get right into it. This is what it looked like. Nothing really fancy, but they're really tasty, and you can put things in it like I did, and they're gonna be really good. So first thing you need is bananas. You want to mash 3 to 4 ripe bananas until they are mashed like this. I use the potato masher because yeah. Then you want to put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl with a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. You want to mix them properly, the best you can, considering they're all white, so it's hard to tell. And then you want to add 1/2 cup of coconut milk to the banana and 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice into the banana and mix that well as well. Next step, another bowl. I hate when we have to do that for a recipe. So much cleanup to do after. And in that bowl, you put 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and you mix it with the hand mixer until it reaches a creamy texture. My mixer was stuck with all of the thing and the thing, so I added the egg. No idea if it was the right idea, but I did it and it tastes good, so I didn't care. Then you want to add the vanilla extract, and you want to keep going until it is well incorporated. Then you want to start adding the dry ingredient and mix, then some white ingredient, then mix, some dry ingredient, mix, white ingredient, mix until it is all mixed. Then, since I was doing 2 different batches, I scooped half of the batter into another bowl and kept the remaining into that bowl. Then I chopped some chocolate, about 150 grams. You can use chocolate chips as well. You measure the chocolate with your heart. Just make sure that you put smaller chunks than I did because they didn't hold after. Because, yeah. Then in the other batches, I added the tiny bit of chocolate flakes powder that was left on my board with walnut chopped as well inside for a healthier version, but it was really good. Then you spread the batter into muffin mold. Do not buy this muffin mold. I have no idea what is the company, but I hate it. They're much taller than regular muffin mold. And they're soft, so you need to use a pan underneath it because otherwise you cannot transfer it. And yeah, I hate it. Don't buy it. If you have any recommendation for a good muffin mold thing, please link it into the comments. Send it to me on Discord, anything, but I need to buy something better than this. Then you cook into the oven for approximately 45 minutes to an hour, or until a toothpick inserted inside of the muffins comes out clean. Well, if you put chocolate, it's possible there's chocolate on it, but like no batter. And they will be all brown and golden like this. So good. So that's my recipe for you guys today. I hope you enjoy it. It is really quick, it's simple. The actual recipe will be linked in the description since it isn't mine. And I hope you guys will try it, like it. You can even make it as banana bread if you want. I do it as muffin because it helps control the amount that you eat, because you only take a muffin or 2 or 3. It doesn't really help, but it gives a feeling that it does. Anyway, this is today's recipe. If you like it, please subscribe. I've noticed that a certain percentage of my viewers aren't subscribed, so what are you waiting? Subscribe to me. Come on, let's go. And if you like what I do, I have an Instagram that you can follow me. I post things on Facebook as well. It's mostly the same thing as Instagram, so whichever you're the most on. I have a Twitter, I have Twitch, I have a Discord. Just follow me everywhere. And if you don't want to follow me everywhere, that's fine too. I appreciate you anyway. So I'll see you guys next week for another video. And it should be a little bit more exciting than today, because we're gonna do spring rolls. So I'll see you guys next week.